Do you know how to count words in Excel? Unfortunately, right now, there is no one single function that can help you achieve that functionality. But with a combination of these three text functions, you can be able to count how many words are sitting in a given cell. And that is the use of the LEN function, the trim function, as well as the substitute function. And to do that, you'll head over to your results cell and start typing equals LEN, open brackets, select the cell that contains the sentence, close brackets. At this point, the LEN function tells us that this particular cell has 31 characters in it. But because the LEN function is also counting all the spaces that are contained within this particular text, you will need to trim off all the spaces. So you'll introduce the trim function right here. Let us close off the trim function, hit enter key on the keyboard. Now you can see we have 29 characters sitting in this particular cell after trimming off all the extraneous spaces. We are not yet done because at this point we are only counting how many characters, but our interest is to count how many words are contained in this particular cell. So I'll say minus LEN function. Let's also introduce the trim function and again introduce our substitute function. We select the text, comma, and for the old text, I'm going to be typing in double quotes, space, double quotes, comma. I replace this one with nothing, so I'll open double quotes, close double quotes, close off the substitute function, close off the trim function, as well as the LEN function, and hit enter key on the keyboard. At this point, this particular formula is giving us how many spaces are currently sitting in this particular text, but our interest is to make sure that we count how many words are sitting in this particular cell. And to do that, you'll come over to the end and say +1 and hit enter key on the keyboard, and there you go. You can see that this particular cell has 6 words in it. Now I can drag this formula to the rest of the cells. If you're interested in learning more about text functions in Excel, watch the video that is currently showing on your screen right now. See you in the next one.